Hello. When I build a service business website, you've got the option of having a portfolio category. Now, when I first build a website, all of your business pages, the homepage, about us, services, contact, they're not likely to change much and you're not likely to want to edit them often. But after your site is built, you might want to add portfolio pages to your website. So if I include this link to the portfolio page and you click it, there's nothing there. But what I do, go to Dashboard, Posts, All Posts. I can make these draft portfolio items for you. So each one of these is a draft post. So you hover over one of the portfolio items. I'm going to hover over portfolio item 1, draft, edit. And this is a ready-made portfolio item. So you change the post title. Type in your post title there. Now, this section here is called an excerpt. It's a manual excerpt. And the text that you type in here on this particular theme will display below this post title when the reader views it on the internet. So you type that into this box that says excerpt, type whatever you want. You can set a featured image. So when we click this set featured image, now this is my media library. You can also upload images, just drag them in here. So I'm going to choose an image from the media library. I choose this image, and where it says set featured image, click the blue button, and now I've got that featured image. Now to change the text, all you need to do when you're in edit mode is just highlight any text and just type your text in there. So supposing the purpose of the project, we would type in there some information about this particular project. Objective, what did our customer want? Type in there your own text. But this gives you, it's a good starting point. So you don't have to think too much, you just have to change the text that's already there. Now, what I want to do next is add an image gallery. So at the bottom of these ready-made portfolio pages, when we hover in between the blocks that are already there, each piece of content is a block. So we hover in between these blocks, I can add a new block. So I hover between this headline and text, add block, and I want to add a gallery block. Now I've used the gallery block recently, so it's there, but if you search in here for gallery, and it gives me the option of a gallery block, click there. Now it says upload, so I can upload some images. So I'll click the button to upload, and I can search my computer for the images I want to use, or where it says media library, I've already put things into my WordPress media library, some images, so I'm going to use those images. So I click media library, select the images I want to use, and click create new gallery. If you want to, you can add a caption to each image. Go to insert gallery, and that's inserted a gallery in my page. Now I might think to myself, I want to remove one of those pictures. So suppose I want to remove this one. I can remove that, and I've got 5 instead of 6. If you want to add the caption, you can add it here. So you can add the caption as you upload the gallery or later on. Now, one thing you've got to remember about this, click somewhere inside the gallery, then in this sidebar, there's an option that says link to, and you need to choose link to media file. If we choose link to media file, now when we publish this post, Go to view the post. This is our post that we've just made. If we scroll down, this is the text that we edited, and this is the image gallery. Now, because we chose from that drop-down list that says link to media file, we've now got the option, when we click the image, it opens in this little gallery viewer, and we can cycle through the images. And we can do that because when we made the post, when we added our image gallery, in the sidebar we chose link to media file. Now, all of these posts are in a category called portfolio. So I'll show you why that's important. Now, when we're back viewing the site, before, when I click this button that says portfolio, we've got a sign saying no posts available. Now we can see the category, and every time you publish one of those posts, it will appear in this category. This is a category page. Now at the moment there's just one post published, but if I go back to dashboard, all posts, and edit another portfolio item draft post. Now when I edit this post, I'm going to change the title. I'm going to choose a featured image. Choosing this image, set featured image, and I would edit all the other text, and as before I would add an image gallery, then I would publish. But as soon as we publish this post, I can view the post, but now if we go back to the portfolio page, we've got two portfolio items. And each time as you publish one of these portfolio posts, it will automatically be listed on this page. And your website visitors can get there by clicking in the nav bar, going to portfolio. And then they just click the button to open the page. But it's a really, really simple way that you can add portfolio items or show your site visitors the most recent work that you've done. Just a quick recap of where the text comes from. This is the post title. This is the excerpt. It's a manual excerpt, and I'll show you again where that how you put that into your page. And the text below is the text that you edited on the web page. So I'll edit this post, and then we can see where the page title and the post excerpt is changed. So I'll edit the post. This is the post title, and the post excerpt is in this sidebar in the excerpts box where it says excerpt. Type your text in here, and that text will appear underneath the post title on the web page. So when we look at the web page, this is the excerpt, and you'll add that excerpt there in this excerpt box here. Hope that gives you a better idea of how it works. Click this button and that will take us back to the dashboard. So we go to when you're viewing the site, once you're logged in, you're viewing the site, the name of your website will be here. Hover over that, choose Dashboard, Posts, All Posts, and then you can edit these draft posts that are made for you. A draft post doesn't display until you edit that draft post and publish it. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.